Assalamualaikum to Dr. Muhammad Azrai. We are from Group BB5, Section 4, who would like to present about irrigation canal system. So my group members are Nurul Ain binti Nur Hisham, Ahmad Zamirai bin Ahmad Zaini, and me Dania Kristina binti Barisham.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Nura Ain. I will present the introduction. So, irrigation canals is hydraulic system whose main objective is to channel water from them and rivers to different uses. Such a system can be very large with several tens or hundreds of kilometers. So, the main general objective is to provide water to the different uses at the right moment and in the right quantity, reducing losses as much as possible in order to guarantee the safety of the infrastructure. So for theory of equation that related to fluid mechanics is fundamental of hydrodynamics. So the velocity of the flowing fluid is at its greater at the narrowest cross section, which is continuity equation A multiple V equal to constant. So Bernoulli discovered that a part of the pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy. So when velocity increases, it therefore results in a drop in pressure so that the lowest pressure occurs in narrow cross section. So application includes water jet pumps, flow measurement, and hydrodynamics. So Bernoulli equation can be represented as P1 per rho g plus V1 square root per 2g plus Z1 equal to P2 per rho g plus V2 square root per 2g plus Z2. So next, construction process. The first is alignment of canals. The canal has been aligned in such a way that it covers the entire area proposed to be irrigated with the shortest possible length, and at the center its cost including cost of drainage works is a minimum. So second is watershed canal. The dividing right line between the catchment areas of two streams or drains. So it is suitable for plain areas where slopes are relatively flat and uniform. This canal supplies water on both sides and thus large area may be taken under cultivation. Third is counter canal. Canals align nearly parallel to the counter line. So they are aligned generally when canals are taken off from the river. So cultivable area lies on one side of it and as one of banks on the higher side. So last is side slope canal. A line at right angle to the counter is along the side slope. So the canal close runs roughly parallel to the natural drains of the country and as such cross dance works avoid. So I will pass to the another presenter.
Next, technology, electric radial gate to shut and discharge the water in the canal to the outside in an emergency or for canal inspection. Conduit, installation of a new durable conduit and reconstruction canal without suspending water supply. Fill filler, maintenance works to fill filler in the cavity behind the canal wall to detect a cavity. Lateral type, applied to a stream that has small amount of sediment inflow from the upstream to return excess water back to the stream.
Okay, next I would like to continue the presentation with the issues of irrigational canal system. Firstly, the irrigational canal system that we have currently have low efficiency. Based on Atlantis Press research, the average efficiency of irrigation canal system is at 70%. The 30% loss of the efficiency is due to water loss, referring to the pie chart. If we take 30% to 100%, most of the water loss is due to water infiltration at 65% and 30% from it loss from due to technical losses, while the remaining 5% due to evaporation. Third, the issues with the structure of the canal is when the groundwater rise, the change of structure of the canal occur, which will then resulting in flooding, waterlogging, and soil sanitization, led to the unsuitability of agricultural land.
For conclusion, this project related to fluid mechanics, which is hydraulic and energy grade lines equation. Improve efficient use of water by minimizing conveyance losses from seepage or structural failure. Plans for irrigation canal or lateral installations include related structures such as turnouts, sheds, crossings, and other facilities needed for successful operation as an efficient system.
Okay, so for the recommendation, we recommend to use concrete canvas because it is better than concrete lining which are used in today's canal system. With concrete lining, the efficiency boosts from 70% to 90% up to 95%. This is possible since it completely eliminates water losses in canals due to complete sealing. To compare those two, concrete canvas is cheaper, lighter, need less equipment, need less specialized workers, availability of necessary equipment is minimum. A laying speed of concrete canvas is 800 meters squared per day compared to 80 meters squared per day with concrete lining. Faster time acquisition for the necessary strength, need less logistic delivery, higher crack resistance, highly frost resistant, and higher compressive strength.
That's all from us. Thank you.